Top 7 Seasonal Fruits. Every diabetic must try, budget-friendly and delicious. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on the sweet, juicy goodness of fruit. The key is choosing the right fruits, ones that are low on the glycemic index, rich in nutrients, and easy on your wallet. Seasonal fruits are a fantastic option because they're not only fresher and tastier, but also more affordable when they're in season. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 seasonal fruits every diabetic must try that are perfect for managing blood sugar while keeping your meals exciting and flavorful. From crisp apples to juicy berries, these fruits are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness that won't spike your glucose levels. And stick around until the end for a special tip on how to pair these fruits for maximum blood sugar control without breaking the bank. Ready to enjoy the best fruits of the season? Let's dive in. Fruit 1. Apples. First on our list is a classic favorite, apples. Crunchy, sweet, and packed with nutrients, apples are a great seasonal fruit choice for diabetics. They're rich in fiber, particularly in the skin, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This makes them a perfect snack for managing blood sugar levels. Why apples are great for diabetics. Apples have a low to medium glycemic index, meaning they provide a steady release of glucose without causing spikes. They're also loaded with antioxidants like quercetin, which can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Budget-friendly tip. Apples are widely available and affordable, especially in the fall when they're in season. Buy them in bulk at local farmers markets or grocery stores to save money, and choose varieties like Granny Smith or Fuji for their lower sugar content. How to enjoy them. Slice them up and enjoy them as is, or pair them with a tablespoon of natural peanut butter for a satisfying diabetes-friendly snack. You can also chop them into salads or bake them with cinnamon for a warm, comforting treat. Meal idea. Try an easy apple parfait. Layer chopped apples, Greek yogurt, and a sprinkle of granola for a quick, healthy breakfast or snack that's perfect for controlling blood sugar. Apples are a simple, affordable, and nutritious way to add natural sweetness to your diet. Let's move on to the next seasonal fruit. Fruit 2. Berries. Next on our list are berries, a delicious and versatile fruit that's perfect for diabetics. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these tiny fruits are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and natural sweetness, all while being low on the glycemic index. Why berries are great for diabetics. Berries help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, making them a powerful addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Their high fiber content slows down sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar levels steady. Plus, their vibrant colors indicate they're loaded with beneficial compounds like anthocyanins, which can support heart health. Budget-friendly tip. Buy fresh berries when they're in season during summer months, or opt for frozen berries year-round. They're just as nutritious and often more affordable. Stock up during sales and freeze extras for smoothies or snacks. How to enjoy them. Berries are incredibly versatile. Eat them on their own as a quick snack. Mix them into yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie for a refreshing drink. They also make a great topping for salads or whole grain pancakes. Meal idea. Try a mixed berry salad. Combine strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries with a drizzle of lime juice and a sprinkle of chia seeds for an antioxidant-packed side dish that's diabetes-friendly. Berries are a delicious and nutrient-dense choice for diabetics, making them a seasonal favorite. Let's move on to the third fruit. Fruit 3. Oranges. Next up is a zesty favorite, oranges. Known for their refreshing sweetness and high vitamin C content, oranges are an excellent fruit for diabetics. Despite their natural sugar content, their low glycemic index and fiber make them a safe and delicious choice for managing blood sugar levels. Why oranges are great for diabetics. Oranges are packed with fiber, particularly when eaten whole rather than juiced. The fiber slows down sugar absorption, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Additionally, their high vitamin C content supports immune health, which is especially important for diabetics. Budget-friendly tip. Oranges are most affordable during winter and early spring when they're in season. Choose whole oranges over prepackaged juice to save money and avoid added sugars. Navel and Valencia oranges are great low-sugar options. How to enjoy them? Peel and eat an orange as a refreshing snack, or slice it into segments for a salad topping. You can also zest the peel for added flavor in dishes or desserts without adding sugar. Meal idea. Try a citrus salad. Combine orange slices with spinach, walnuts, and a light vinaigrette for a vibrant, diabetes-friendly side dish that's both sweet and savory. Oranges bring a burst of flavor and nutrition to your diet while helping you manage blood sugar effectively. Let's move on to the fourth seasonal fruit. Fruit 4. Pears. Next on the list are pears, a sweet and satisfying fruit that's perfect for diabetics. With their high fiber content and natural juiciness, pears are not only delicious but also excellent for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Why pears are great for diabetics? Pears are low to medium on the glycemic index and packed with soluble fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar. They're also a great source of antioxidants and vitamins like C and K, which support overall health and immunity. Budget-friendly tip. Pears are in season during the fall and winter, making them more affordable during these months. Look for local varieties at farmers markets or grocery stores, and choose firmer pears if you plan to store them for a few days. How to enjoy them? Pears can be eaten fresh, baked, or poached for a diabetes-friendly dessert. Slice them into salads, pair them with a handful of nuts for a balanced snack, or blend them into smoothies for a naturally sweet flavor. Meal idea. Try a baked pear dessert. Have a pear, sprinkle it with cinnamon, and bake until tender. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt for a warm and satisfying treat that won't spike your blood sugar. Pears are a versatile and budget-friendly fruit that can be enjoyed in many ways while managing diabetes. Let's move on to the fifth seasonal fruit. Fruit 5. Grapes. Fifth on our list is a surprising yet diabetes-friendly option: grapes. While they may be small, grapes are packed with antioxidants, natural sweetness, and hydration, making them a convenient and nutritious snack for diabetics when eaten in moderation. Why grapes are great for diabetics? Grapes are low to medium on the glycemic index and contain compounds like resveratrol, which may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Their natural sweetness can help satisfy cravings without spiking blood sugar levels when portioned properly. Budget-friendly tip. Buy grapes in bulk when they're in season, typically during late summer and early fall. Freeze extra grapes for a refreshing snack that's perfect for hot days and saves you money on packaged treats. How to enjoy them? Grapes are great eaten fresh, added to salads, or mixed into yogurt for a balanced snack. You can also pair them with a small piece of cheese for a satisfying blend of protein and natural sugar. Meal idea. Make a quick and diabetes-friendly fruit salad. Combine halved grapes, apple chunks, and a handful of walnuts. Add a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance the flavors and keep the fruits fresh. Grapes are a delicious, portable, and versatile option for diabetics. Let's move on to the sixth seasonal fruit. Fruit 6. Peaches. Next on our list is a juicy and flavorful favorite: peaches. Known for their sweet and slightly tangy taste, peaches are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that make them an excellent choice for diabetics. Why peaches are great for diabetics? Peaches are low to medium on the glycemic index and provide a good amount of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. They're also rich in vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, which supports heart health and hydration. Budget-friendly tip. Peaches are most affordable during the summer months when they're in peak season. Look for local produce or farmers markets for the freshest and best-priced options. Canned peaches are also an option. Just make sure they're packed in water or natural juice, not syrup. How to enjoy them? Peaches are incredibly versatile. Eat them fresh, add slices to your oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie for a naturally sweet drink. You can also grill them for a caramelized treat that's perfect as a dessert or salad topping. Meal idea: try a grilled peach salad. Slice a fresh peach and grill it lightly. Combine it with mixed greens, a sprinkle of goat cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette for a flavorful and diabetes-friendly dish. Peaches are a delightful and nutritious option that bring a burst of summer flavor to your meals. Let's move on to the seventh and final fruit. Fruit 7. Watermelon. Last but not least on our list is a refreshing classic, watermelon. With its high water content and natural sweetness, watermelon can be a great option for diabetics when enjoyed in moderation. It's hydrating, nutrient-rich, and perfect for warm weather. Why watermelon is great for diabetics? Watermelon is low in calories and contains important nutrients like vitamins A and C, as well as lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health. While it has a higher glycemic index, its high water content helps balance out its sugar impact when consumed in small portions. Budget-friendly tip. Watermelon is widely available and affordable during the summer months. Buying a whole watermelon and cutting it into portions at home is much cheaper than purchasing pre-cut pieces. Freeze chunks for a fun, budget-friendly snack. How to enjoy it. Enjoy watermelon fresh and chilled as a quick snack, or add it to fruit salads. You can also blend it into a refreshing drink or pair it with a sprinkle of feta cheese for a savory sweet twist. Meal idea. Make a simple watermelon and cucumber salad. Combine diced watermelon, cucumber slices, and a handful of mint leaves. Add a squeeze of lime juice for a refreshing, diabetes-friendly dish that's perfect for summer. Watermelon is a hydrating and satisfying treat that's easy to enjoy on a hot day while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Now let's wrap it all up with a quick summary and some encouragement. And there you have it, the top 7 seasonal fruits. Every diabetic must try. From crisp apples and juicy berries to refreshing watermelon and sweet peaches, these fruits are packed with nutrients, fiber, and natural sweetness that help you manage your blood sugar without sacrificing flavor. By focusing on seasonal and budget-friendly options, you can enjoy a variety of fruits that fit perfectly into your diabetes-friendly diet. These fruits are not only delicious but also versatile, making it easy to include them in snacks, meals, or even desserts. Remember, moderation and balance are key when incorporating fruits into your routine. Pair them with healthy fats, proteins, or non-starchy vegetables to create well-rounded meals that keep your blood sugar stable. Which of these fruits are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a favorite seasonal fruit that works for your diabetes management? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your tips and ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and hit that subscribe button for more diabetes-friendly tips and recipes. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a video filled with practical, life-changing advice. Thank you for watching and for taking the time to invest in your health. Managing diabetes is a journey, and every small step makes a big difference. Stay motivated, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process of discovering new ways to live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, take care and stay inspired. We'll see you in the next video.